welcome back to my channel. It's me, Giselle. Happy New Year. This is my first video of the 2018 year. So I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday and a great New Year's and break with your family. I know I did. I just took a little break and then I got sick towards the end of the break. So I'm just now getting back feeling like the same old me. So in today's video, I just thought I would do the best of 2017 and do it a drugstore edition, because I know I've been seeing a lot of beauty influencers out there and they're just showing all of their best products that they love for 2017, and it's like YSL, NARS, Estee Lauder, all these Tatcha, all these brands that I can't afford right now. So I decided to get on here and give y'all the best of the drugstore, because the drugstore had a pretty bomb year and a lot of bomb products came out. So let's get started. For primer, I'm cheating already. I used the Becca Matte Poreless Primer, but it's a free sample, so can we call that affordable or not, or whatever? We can't count it, but this is what I used. You see me applying it. So if you guys have a drugstore primer that you absolutely love, please let me know in the comments down below, because I have not. I'm using free samples right now. There were a whole bunch of drugstore foundations that came out and I had a really hard time choosing which one was my favorite, but in my opinion, I had to go with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This foundation is between $4 to $5 depending on where you get it. The cheapest place to get anything will be Walmart if you're here in the US. Walgreens, CVS, and Target usually have higher prices, maybe like $2 to $3 of a difference. So the cheapest place you can get it is Walmart if you can find it in stock, because they always go out of stock. But I have the color Toffee, and this is just a really velvet matte finish. It's great if you're taking photography. I'll have all of the videos that I've done on these products, because most of these products I have done a video on. I'll have everything listed down below just in case you want to see a more in-depth review on it. But this is a banger. Like, it doesn't have a pump, which I'm very upset about, but it does have this little spatula applicator that you can smear on your face, and I mean, it just gives you a very natural coverage. You can build it up, you can be sheer if you want to. It's bomb. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Next, for concealer, I've really been loving the ColourPop concealer. They came out with a whole bunch of concealers, and this shade is actually just like a hair too light for me, but I love the consistency and the color. I love the consistency in the wand so much that I use this in conjunction with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I just basically mixed the two together, and it gives me a nice bright highlighted under eye that I work with that is lovely for me. So that bomb. For powder, this is not new to the drugstore, but it's my ride or die. It is the Black Opal Finishing Powder, and this is their loose powder, and I have the shade 200 Neutral Light, and this just gives, it's just a soft velvet powder that just melts into the skin. You can bake. They have a wide variety of shades for our, you know, deeper, darker skin tones, so you can use it as a setting powder as well, or all over face powder, whatever you want to do with it. I just love it. If you've been on my channel for a long time, if you've been a long time subscriber, you know that this is my ride or die. Next, to snatch these cheeks and contour my face, I have been loving the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and this came out last year, and they came out with two palettes. They have a light to medium palette, and then they have a medium to deep palette. This is the light to medium, and this is my second or third, I think it's my third palette that I bought, and I've already hit pan on both of the shades. The highlighter is okay. It's not, you know, my jam. Usually I use the highlighter if I'm like going to work or something, or if I don't want anything beaming. It's a nice, you know, work highlighter or subtle natural highlighter, but you know, I highlight to highlight. I want you to see this beam and glow. So I usually just use the contour and sculpt powders, and I mix them and I just go and contour my whole face, and it is bomb. The only thing that's bad about it is it only has two palettes. So there's some shade ranges that you can do. 2 palettes will not justify, and it will not do anything for the rest of my darker chocolate girls, and even my lighter skin girls. They can't do anything with these colors. These colors would be too dark for them. So they just need to come out with at least 2 to 3 more palettes, and this like, we have the money. We have money. It's affordable. We're willing to spend the money. Just make products for us. That's all we want. Just make products for us. And then you know, you could just take the money. But if you don't make products for us, you know, we'll just keep the money. So, am I the only one that knows this logic? Next, for eyeshadows. Again, the drugstore had bomb eyeshadow season this year. It was like everybody was coming out with different eyeshadows, but the one I kept reaching towards and packing was my Maybelline City Mini Makeup by Shayla collaboration, and it's a great travel palette. It has neutrals, my gold shimmers. It has this pretty pop of red down here. It has a black for smokiness. I mean, it has this little white for, you know, brow bone highlight to set all over the lid, whatever you need it to do. It's just great, and it's so small that it doesn't take anything to pack this and travel with it. So I've been loving this palette. Your girls just skipped over brows. So for brows, I've been using the Kiss Top Brow, and I really love this eyebrow pencil because it has a super fine and small, like, little tip where I can go in and just make my eyebrows really thick if I want to, or really slim and defined. It's not a chunky eyebrow pencil that, you know, only people with really bushy eyebrows can use. You know, people with, you know, smaller, little sparse, thin eyebrows can use this pencil. I really love how slim it is. And then to set my brows, I have the LA Colors Browy Wowie Tinted Eye Gel, and this is in the shade dark brown, and my pencil is in the shade, oh, what is this? Oh, your girl don't know. It done rubbed off. I'll have it listed down below once I find it, if I find it. But I just love this brow gel. It doesn't leave my brows crunchy, because, you know, some products can leave your brows like extra hard. It doesn't leave your brows extra hard, and it sets your brows in place. They don't go anywhere. It lasts. It does what it needs to do. So for eyeliner, I have been using this NK Microfine Art eyeliner, and this is a felt tip liner, y'all. So if you guys are oldies but goodies, you guys know I hate felt tip liners. So I picked this up. I don't know why. I think it was just because it was so cheap. It was like $1.99 at my beauty supply store. So I picked it up and I was like, I'll try it, whatever. And it is bomb. It gives you the blackest, sharpest wing ever. And this felt tip liner is stiff. The ones I've used have been really flimsy, and I don't like the flimsy ones because they don't give me as much control as I want. These stiff ones, it gives me the control that I want. And then for mascara, oldie but goodie is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. It's not new. I don't even know if this eyeliner is new. Maybe, I don't know, it's new to me. But, you know, oldie but goodie telescopic mascara. I really love the wand on it. It's super small, so if you have small eyelashes, it really gets in your eyelashes and makes them long and black, and that's what we want in life. And for lips, what I have been loving is this combination I've been wearing since I got these products, and The eyeliner or the lip liner pencil I use is the Jordana Terracotta Kiss for lips, and it's just this dark brown, just your regular dark brown lip pencil. But this new gloss is everything. This is the Loving Good Lips gloss, and it is in the color Nude Again, and this is just the perfect nude gloss for women of color. It's really hard for us to find a good gloss, just a nude gloss. At least for me, it would either be like too ashy pink, or it was like just not a good nude for me, or it'd be like too dark and it was like a hot pink. This is a small black owned brand, and she has a variety of liquid lipsticks and lip glosses that ranges from $7 to $8. So very affordable. It's very good, very pigmented, and I've just been loving these glosses. So next, for setting spray, I have the Morphe Continuous Mist, and this is in a aerosol type can, and this is genius. I don't know why other brands haven't done this. Instead of the regular, you know, spritz, it just bursts at you like this. This is just like a mist that goes over your face. It really smells like a good looking man. It does have a scent to it, but I don't mind the scent because it smells like a good looking man. If you guys know what I'm talking about, please comment down below that you know what a good looking man smells like. It has like, you know, he walks by you and he just has on this sexy perfume. Just, ooh, that's what it smells like to me. It just smells like a good looking man. I don't know, I'm probably just weird, but I just love the aerosol can. This is about, I want to say it's $13.50. I might be off on that, but you guys know Morphe is super affordable. I don't have a discount code, you know, I ain't like that. I ain't big like that, but there's a whole bunch of other YouTubers and bloggers that has Morphe discount codes that you can use if you want to try this out. But I love it. It just makes your makeup melt into your face. It lasts all day. It's neither a matte nor a dewy finishing spray. It's just a finishing spray that does what your skin needs it to do. Does that make sense? I don't know. I hope that made sense. It made sense to me. Hopefully it made sense to y'all. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I still want to do my 1K giveaway. I have been slowly stocking up on things that I want to give away. So make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video.